Hello everyone, it's James here at Full Fat Motors. This is a walk around video of an L322 Range Rover for sale. This is a 4.4 TDV8 presented in Orkney Grey over Ivory. Let's have a look, shall we? This 2011 L322 Range Rover is presented in Orkney Grey over Ivory leather. This one has a 4.4 TDV8 engine and is coupled to an 8-speed gearbox. Now, I really like the Orkney Grey and Ivory colour combination. I think it's really elegant and timeless. I think it's the sort of thing that just looks right in any setting. Now, this particular vehicle has come in from a channel viewer who has had it since 2017, and there is a large file of service history, which is always nice to see. So that's invoices in addition to stamps in the book, which is great. Nonetheless, when it arrived, it did still need a few catch-up bits. So it's had an oil cooler and engine service. It's had 2 front track control arms, the 2 front anti-roll bar links, and a rear prop shaft. Now, I have a set of wheels at the powder coater, which I'm going to swap around these. That's on 4 good Pirellis. So yeah, these are just showing a little bit of signs of wear. So we'll swap those out for a refurbed set with 4 good Pirellis on. Now, interestingly, these Pirellis are not particularly old. They're only from 2018, but they are showing some signs of cracking. So they will be going in the bin, and this car will be going out on 4 newly refurbished wheels with 4 good tyres. Have a look inside. The tints are factory tints and the interior is in excellent condition. Now, the chap who owned this last had a couple of vehicles, and he tells me he didn't allow his children in this one, and I can see that there's no evidence of any mashed banana in any of the perforated seats. We'll start it up. 82,051 miles on the clock. AC blows nice and cold, and all the bits and pieces work as they should. Right, we'll have a look at the engine bay and underside. And importantly, the side steps are working. I do really like the deployable side steps when they're working. They can be a little bit temperamental and can get gummed up with road debris, which sometimes stops them working. But while they are working, they're a lovely feature. Engine nice and original and sounds as it should. We've inspected this vehicle, and both front, middle and rear subframes are all in good condition. Now, it has recently been washed, which is why you can see the underside of it dripping. There's nothing to worry about there. This particular example has also recently had a full drive oil service. So that's front diff, rear diff, transfer case, gearbox, oil and filter, and there is a hefty receipt in the car history for that work being complete. As with all cars sold through Full Fat Motors, this one will receive an MOT prior to sale and is nearly ready to go. So if you're interested in this L322 Range Rover, please do get in touch. My contact details are on the screen below. Full service history details and also the vehicle price can be seen in the video description below.